Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can create Instagram group chat. Alright guys, first of all, open your Instagram application on your phone, and after you have your Instagram application opened, you can go to your Instagram direct message on the top right corner of your screen. Then you're going to click on this button and start selecting some accounts you would like to add to your Instagram group chat. And for example, I'm going to add this account and also this one. After we're done selecting the account, we can tap on create group chat right here. Alright guys, and now the group chat has been created, and if you want to name your group chat, you can tap on this option, name this group chat. For example, I'm going to name it like this. Okay, and if you want to add other users to your group chat, you can simply tap on members right here. Then you can click on this button. Then try to select other users you want to add to your group chat, or you can also copy the invite link and share to the account that you want to add to your Instagram group chat. Okay, and now let's just go back to our room chat. Then if you want to send message to your group chat, you can type the message right here like this. Then you can click on send. Alright guys, and that's how we can create an Instagram group chat. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.